Hello, Thursday!
So what's the meaning of prom?
Second day ng exam ni Rella today.
What is the meaning of prom?
Tinatanong siya about prom. Malalaman mo yun soon. Ang hirap i-explain. Basta it's an event.
Basta you are celebrating that you are a teenager na.
Great then. No, that's not really the point. It's an event that you do in school.
Then,
Basta, yung party-party lang kayo doon.
alak-alak siya.
Ay, wala po yung alak. Bawal po yun.
Oh,
Mga sparklers or juice lang siguro iinumin nyo doon. Basta, you will know that soon.
sparkling water.
Oo, mga sparkling water. Bawal po ang alak.
What is sparkling water?
So, wala kayong prom.
Hindi sa Facebook ng influencers.
Nakita niya. Okay. Siguro yung mga grade 9 ka, grade 9 and 10. Okay, malapit ka naman sa school.
Bye.
Be good. Good luck. Bye.